So here I am today with the Dyson DC-17, and this is the dust cup, which most people do not see, that gets clogged with dust, debris, and in this case pet hair. Now, if I show you what we're taking out of here, it's going to shock you, but here's an example of the stuff that gets inside. Now, of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes, 3 of them are totally packed and 2 others are partially packed full of pet hair. Look at all that. Now, this is something that most people do not see because the dust cup on the DC-17 has several parts, and it takes a little bit of doing to get inside here to clean this out. Now, obviously, once it's clean, the vacuum performance will substantially increase.